Namaste, yogis. If you're joining me in this video, then you can follow along with a sheet of paper if you wish. What our goal, our objective here is to debrief a children's yoga class. So let us begin. First, we're going to want a theme, and our theme for our class will be observation. And we can ask questions like, what do we observe about our poses, or how do we observe our poses, or how do we observe in life? And that'll get the brain thinking before we begin our warm-up. And our warm-up is we are going to get dressed in some jungle safari clothing, and we are going to begin doing a bird breath. And if you don't know what bird breath is, basically we just clean off our wings. We inhale, and then we exhale. We kind of fly as a bird. And we can ask our observation questions then. What did we observe while doing bird breath? And what did we notice about our breath and our bodies? And just bring awareness to ourselves through observation. So, after we do our warm-up and our bird breath, we would go into our poses. And the poses that I chose to do would be a rock pose, a turtle pose, a cobra pose, and a butterfly. And the butterfly pose we will do as a partner pose. So we'll go into our butterfly pose and we'll shake our butterfly wings, and maybe we grab onto another butterfly and we fly together. And after that, we'll have a sort of a cool down session where we lie on the mat and we again play some music, and we observe our breathing and our bodies, and we focus internally or inward on ourselves. And that's more or less a reflection of how we used observation as our theme during our yoga class. And afterwards I would give a homework assignment, and it'd just be something really easy. I'd probably make them draw their favorite animal that we observed, or if you picked rock, then that's fine too, you could draw a rock. But so if they pick turtle, or they would draw a turtle. If they pick butterfly, they'd draw a butterfly. If they pick cobra, they would draw a cobra, and so on and so forth. And just out of the poses that we chose to do during the class, our favorite animal. If they drew something else, then that's bound to happen from time to time too. So just work with it. Hopefully, there's a yoga pose named after it. But yeah, we would have them draw their favorite animal, and then we would have them write down 1 to 2 things that they observed while in that pose, and if their favorite animal was a pose that we did, which hopefully it was. And that is how I would do about a 15-20 minute yoga class. Maybe 15 minutes, probably more around 15 minutes. Anyway, namaste, yogis. Thank you. Have a good one.